Om Shanti. Today's Murli, that is 8th May 2020. Baba started the Murli by warning we children that do not let this time slip by. Children, do not let this time slip by, because this is the most precious age where you have the understanding of conscious mind and subconscious mind. People talk about that, but we utilize that. Like subconscious mind is dependent on the conscious mind. It is subject to the conscious mind, and that's why we call it as subconscious mind, which simply means that whatever we'll be doing consciously is going to get recorded in the subconscious part of the mind. So what we need to understand is, at this confluence age, Baba has created such a law and regulation in his university that even if we are not occupied in any occupation, suppose if we had to prepare a presentation on laptop, or maybe we were studying a book or reading a book, and we are done reading and studying or done making presentation, still we can be occupied in remembrance, in churning the Murli, because as soon as intelligence is unoccupied, the gateway to Maya opens, that is, the gateway to subconscious mind opens, and that is responsible to degrade the mind, because it is full of 5 vices and body consciousness, which we had developed over a period of time, even in this body and in all the previous bodies. And that's why Baba says, always remember me, so that the gateway to Maya cannot be opened. That is, the gateway to subconscious mind cannot be opened, and only the gateway to heaven, that is, the consciousness, the conscious part of the mind, which is volunteer, which means which is voluntary. It is under my control. And Baba also gives the significance of this knowledge by saying that all the sages and holy men, all the rishis and munis, they say that even they were not aware of the real knowledge, that is the knowledge of the Creator and of the beginning, middle and end of the creation. That's why they say that even they are not aware of the knowledge that God Father can give. In order to enhance the power of children, in today's blessing, Baba said that just like in the physical world, whichever color lightning is required or whichever color lightning we use, accordingly the atmosphere becomes like that. If it is green lightning, then Shiv Baba says there will be green light everywhere. If it is red light, then you will have the environment of yoga like we have in Madhuban and even at respective centers and homes, etc. Similarly, Shiv Baba says that if your lighthouse, might house, then you can absolutely spread the purity vibrations, the light of purity, the light of happiness. And purity doesn't mean that you just sit back and think, I am a pure soul and I leave this body, I go to the Shanti Dham, experience Baba. No. Shiv Baba says to waste your time and thoughts in wasteful matters is impurity. Waste and best, this has to be differentiated by using the power of differentiation. So that's why Baba said that it's important for you to spread the vibrations of purity, etc. Also in today's Murli, Baba said that somebody tries to get someone out of the quicksand, but gradually, eventually what happens, they also just drag themselves to that bog only. Like Shiv Baba says, if we just try to get somebody out, maybe we get them or remove them halfway or 3/4 and they still let go of the hand and fall back in again. And that's why Baba says that students or children who speak the Murli or who try or who help people to get out of their situation, they eventually remove others from their bog, but they themselves fall into it. So that's why Baba says it's very important to understand that self-empowerment, soul empowerment, remembrance of Shiv Baba is foremost. Service will happen gradually according to drama, but remembrance cannot happen according to drama. This is what Shiv Baba said in today's Murli. That is a conscious requirement. That is a conscious effort that we need to pay. And likewise, Baba says many a times that you have the battle of remembrance. That is, you have the strength of remembrance. and those people, they have strength of weapons, strength of physical strength they have, and Shiv Baba says you have the mental and spiritual strength through which a new world can be created. So we'll be discussing the summary of Murli only, and I'll be sending the link on which you can click and go through the entire Murli, because we started believing that we have so many Murlis, full Murlis being recorded and uploaded on YouTube in all respective languages almost, but we are lacking the summary and discussion part. So focusing on that, we'll be uploading the summary of Hindi and English Murli and one particular point of remembrance from everyday's Murli, so that we can churn the ocean of knowledge, because recording can be done from any part. That means listening to the Murli can be done from any videos. One link I have shared in the description box as well. But listening to the entire Murli is one thing. We can read and listen it to anywhere. Here we'll be keeping an aim objective of discussing few subtle points. So if you want the full Murli, please comment in the comment box. And likewise, if you want this summary, if you're liking this summary, then you can convey that also to me, so that we can proceed in remembrance accordingly. And like also in today's Murli, Baba has talked about the paraphernalia of the path of devotion, that it is so huge, and now through this knowledge I am making you away from devotion, away from this world, because this world is absolutely not a better place to live right now, but it will become a perfect place to live in coming days and years and future. Om Shanti.